In Mastercam 2022, you can now define reusable holder assemblies in the Holder Designer, which is accessible through the Lathe Tool Manager Holder tab. Use the Holder Designer to create collections of adapters, extensions, and holders and store them as assemblies. You can also access the Holder Designer by clicking Select from Library for a holder component, right-clicking in the Browse for Item dialog box, and choosing to create or edit a holder. You can save time and avoid errors by creating reusable assemblies of modular components. These assemblies can be stored in a library and used for the creation of full 3D lathe tool assemblies. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit what'snew.mastercam.com.